Gentlemen, welcome. Today I'm going to share with you a little bit of a gentleman's secret, a gentleman's first aid kit. I created a little bit of a first aid kit for myself, consisting about 7 items, and these 7 items can really save your life in day-to-day occurrences. From embarrassing moments to highly convenient items, today I will share them with you. But before we hop into the video, my name is Patrick and this is my channel. And on my channel I do lots of reviews of style items, give you guys tons of tips of how to be a perfect gentleman, and of course also a little bit of self-improvement. So if that has your interest, please hit the subscribe button and let's hop into the video. Now, as I said, I created this kit for myself and I use it literally daily. It's 7 small items which you can easily carry in your pocket. So without further ado, let's get to the first item. Now, the first item in my kit is of course a pack of gum. A very simple item to carry around, can get rid of very nasty smells in your mouth. Especially after you had some food or drank a coffee, a little bit of gum can help you get rid of the nasty smell in your mouth. Your speaks partner will be very happy that you took a gum, because he won't be able to smell your mouth. Also, in occasions where you sense yourself having a bad breath, this pack of gum is really a lifesaver. Sometimes I even extend it a little bit with a toothbrush. I don't carry toothpaste with me, just a toothbrush. And a toothbrush I just in general use not really to brush my teeth, but to get the pieces of food out between my teeth after I had lunch or after I had some food. These 2 items, the gum I always carry with me. The toothbrush is depending on the outfit that I'm wearing. If I'm wearing a bag with me, will be a toothbrush in it. If I have a jacket on with large pocket, there will be a toothbrush in it. If I'm just casual with a t-shirt and jeans, no toothbrush, but definitely the gum. So keep it in mind, a packet of gum, it will save your life. Now, since we are on the smelling part and we just fixed our mouth from a bad smell, why not also save your body from a bad smell? And no, not with deodorant, but I always carry a tiny flask of perfume with me. This tiny flask is always just in my pocket, either in my pants or in my jacket. Whenever I feel I start stinking a little bit or my perfume has worn out because it has been a long day, I use the tiny bottle of perfume just to freshen up a little bit. Now, some of you may be wondering why I do not carry a deodorant. Well, deodorant are quite bulky, so they don't really fit in jacket pockets. Even the tiny bottles are usually quite bulky. If I'm wearing a bag, yes, there will be a bottle of deodorant in it, but most of the time the perfume can do wonders. Also very handy when you go out of the house and you forget to put your perfume on. You always know you have a little bit of perfume with you. So that's my second item, which I have in my first aid kit, a tiny bottle of perfume. Okay, so now we saved ourselves from bad breath and smelling. Time to get a little bit more technological and save in that way. A lot of the times I'm just out and about and I need to transfer a file. Or somebody wants to give me a file. This is the reason why I always carry a tiny USB stick with me. It's just a small USB stick, not that large, like 16 gigabyte or something like that. A very simple USB stick, but it has saved my life on many occasions, because there are lots of times where you just need to transfer a file or something is not working on one computer, so you just want to transfer it over to another computer really quickly, and the USB stick is absolutely a lifesaver. So this is also definitely part of my gentleman's first aid kit. Now we got the digital data covered. Obviously, we also sometimes have to use the old school analog method of covering data or transferring data. And how do you use that? Exactly, by writing things down. This is also the reason that I always carry a pen with me. A very simple pen. Usually I carry a fountain pen with me because I really like fountain pens and they really make very nice pens for signing things or putting things quickly down. And having a pen with you is always really a nice lifesaver. When you need to write something down, when you need to fill in a form or whatever. I do not carry papers with me, I do not carry a notebook with me because I need to write something down. Usually it's quite easy to find paper. You can always get some napkins somewhere or find some paper somewhere else. Paper is usually not the issue, but the thing to write with, that usually is. So always keep a pen in your pocket. Yes, and on number 5, well, this is also very important, I think, as a gentleman. Of course, everybody needs to carry a little bit of cash with him. A little bit of emergency cash whenever you may need it, that you can use it. Or if you're in a situation where you cannot pay by card, that you have just a little bit of cash. Usually around 50 bucks is more than enough. And also next to the cash, I always have a bank card with me. The cash I really have with me just for the instances when I cannot pay by card. Because if you need a taxi or whatever, cash is always king. Yes, and now on to item number 6, and this might not be for you, it might depend what kind of climate you live in, what kind of state your lips are in, but I always carry a little bit of lip balm with me. Well, not always, actually more or less, mostly in the autumn and in the winter, just to keep the lips from drying out. A little bit of lip balm, always perfect. Very easy to carry around, very handy, so you always have nicely smooth lips because you never know when you need to use them. Now of course number 7, and this is also highly important to always carry with you because it can absolutely be a lifesaver in many different ways. And of course, no doubt, it is a phone. I always carry a phone with me, not only to keep myself from being bored when I need to wait on something, but if something breaks down, if my car breaks down, whatever, I need to call somebody, I can do it with my phone. Not only that, if I need to check my email or to send a message, of course, the phone is a real lifesaver. Taking a quick picture. That's why the phone, obviously, and most of you people will probably be carrying it, is also part of my first aid kit. Now if you carry these 7 items around, I'm pretty sure most of the situations you will be able to handle. These are 7 items that you can easily keep in your pocket. No need to carry a bag with you. So absolutely perfect as your first aid kit. So I hope that I've given you some ideas to help you a little bit further of things you should carry with you every day as a first aid kit. Do you have any suggestions of pieces that you always carry with you and that literally saved your lives a couple of times? Please let me know in the comments below, I'm very interested. Also, if you like this video, of course, hit the like button and give me a like, it really helps my channel. And of course, if you enjoyed my content, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell icon to make sure all the videos come directly towards you. And then of course, I would like to thank you for watching this video. Until the next one, laters.